Good morning, teachers. Just wanted to take a minute and touch base with you about that file that I shared earlier today. Trying to get a handle on any kids that are not currently participating in things. So our intent is not to make a bunch of work or anything like that. I'm just trying to figure out who's doing what with the kids and who the particular kids are working with or not working with, so that we can make some phone calls and make some connections and make sure that they're connecting early on in this process, depending on how long it takes. I just don't want them to have a lag and then feel like they're in a hole that they can't get out of. So that's why I did that. If you have any questions, feel free. That came out of that seventh and eighth. It actually came out of all of the teams and at the staff meeting as well, because we had a list down there as far as everybody that was involved in the announcements. But I just wanted to see if actually kids are being connected, because it sounds like as you go up the grades that there's less kids. I think eighth grade in particular, that there's some issue with them not participating. So that's why I did that. So if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call on my cell. And otherwise, I want you to have a good day.